Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's a little Irish tune called The Merry Blacksmith. And any of you Titanic fans out there would maybe recognise it from the when Leonardo's dancing with who was it? Kate Winslet downstairs in the poor persons. So we're just going to load up the next file. Unfortunately, I'd like a big round of applause for Akita. Where's Akita? Hey, Akita. This man here helped me get my 3DS from Japan before anybody else got their 3DS from Japan. So a big round of applause for Akita. Thank you. We're going to take things down a little notch now. Something a little bit slower. An Irish jig. Here we go.